Welcome to syZERO. This is our beautiful home. It's a 1974 built Hudson Force 50. Our life happens outside, and we love to be out there, on the ocean. We brought Zero back to life, and in return she brings us to all the beautiful places on our journey to sail the world. So come on board and sail with us. Aloha. So we did it all the way over there, 8 miles towards the waterfall and back. My new shoes were awesome. Hey, stop! Let's start at the beginning. Oops! It's definitely worth the long hike, and I can't wait to swim in the water. Woohoo! Now that's a waterfall. This is the most beautiful waterfall I've ever seen. Wow. Absolutely awesome. My new shoes were awesome. So now I'm going to have a swim over there, get rid of all the sweat I'm completely sweated. Didier and Sophie started running the last probably 1.5 miles, and when the track was pretty even, I ran as well, but I didn't want to hurt my ankle again, so I was very careful in the uneven parts of the trail. So yeah, it was completely exhausting, but very, very nice, and the best and most beautiful waterfall I've ever seen, ever. Aloha. So the problem is that I have water dripping from here, and I opened a spot here and it's fairly wet, and I had some wet spots here and wet spots here, so I open it so they can dry, but I have to figure out where the water is coming from, and I think it's somewhere here going down here, and then it's on a slightly slope, so I even had some drips over here, but I can't find any signs for water getting in on top of there except here. And I have this little spoiler coming out, and the connection between the fiberglass and the wood. There was a little tiny gap, like a No, it broke like a very skinny tiny gap, but I think the water just dripped down here and it was a gap like this. So I opened it completely up and I found lots of rotten wood in here. So the water ran down here, went down here, and yeah, found its way on the weakest spot. And on the other side, it's even worse. So this is all open now, and I sanded the wood. So what I'm gonna do now is refiberglass this, make a nice little connection between the wood and the fiberglass, glue it together, and then epoxy, paint it with epoxy, so it's good. Pain in the ass. I'm so happy today. It looks like it's good weather. Yesterday it was raining and I had to build all these shelter here. Like I bought this tarp and I put my Yankee sail over it because the wind was blowing in there and there was so much moisture in here. And yesterday I strapped this down to the footrail so I could work there. I had to crawl in there and it was not the best working conditions, but I have to do it. I wanna leave soon to Alaska and I expect a lot of rain in Alaska, so it has to be done now. So now it came out very nice, and I hope that this was the only spot and no more waters coming in. I knew Zero had a lot of barnacles on the hull, and I definitely wanted to clean the hull before I sailed to Alaska's cold waters. But it was so much vegetation that I needed scuba equipment to clean it. Especially the aft section and the prop had so much sea life on it, I wondered that Zero made any speed at all. I needed 4 scuba tanks to clean it, but now like me. Anchor is up and I'm leaving Hanalei Bay, going towards the open ocean. Missing up in first reef, main up in second reef, stay still up 100%. Now I'm going to trim it a little and maybe I put out the generator again at 2. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and see you on the next episode. Aloha!